ABS-CBN after a long time.
This is my comeback to ABS, not my comeback. First, I mean, after a long time.
After a long time.
Dreamscape. So I'm also very happy that I was given this role. I've worked with Direct Jojo many times and Direct Manny Palo. Parang he took the place of one of the directors before sa Blood Sisters. Nung una medyo natakot ako, sabi ko, oh no, Manny Palo. But then, when he worked kasi with us sa Blood Sisters, sabi ko, magaling siyang director kasi he's very meticulous with the characters, with the script. Nakikialam siya, bakit ganito, ganyan, inaayos niya. So, anyway, long and short of it, I was very happy to have been offered the role. And I worked naman with Mike. Jameson is the first time. Jane also first time. But I really wanted to work with Joshua kasi nung napanood ko siya sa movie na he had a movie with Julia na sabi ko, galing ng batang to, gusto kong makatrabaho. And then I saw him pa again sa yung movie niya with Maricel, yung meet greet. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng area nilang dalawa, yung mahabang-mahaba niyang area. Sabi ko, palakpak talaga, ang galing ng batang to. Ivana, I wanted to meet her for the longest time kasi nagva-vlog din kaming family, di ba? So, sabi ko, gusto ko ma-meet yung vlogger na yan. But I didn't expect her to be really warm. Akala ko mataray siya, pero she's so super bait, she's so loving, very generous. And then, JM and Fiang first time, but naku, Fiang is like my baby girl. Lahat naman ng nagagawa kong series, pag anak ko, nagiging anak-anakan ko talaga. And I would say, just like Michael said, Fiang has a lot to offer. I mean, she has a lot to promise her audience. She is a multifaceted performer. Talagang, kahit na magulo yan before the scene, kahit na magulo yan. Pero pag alam niyang iiyak siya, tinitingnan ko makaka-deliver ba to? Yung eksena namin na talagang confrontation, sasampalin siya. Takot na takot siya kung sasampalin ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi kita sasampalin. Hindi ako nananampal. Hindi, pwede lang kahit slide. Hindi nga kita sasampalin. Sabi ko, sabayin mo na. But I was amazed that she was able to deliver. So sa mind ko, magaling kong bulilit na to. Si Ronnie, hindi ko siya JM, hindi ko naka-eksena. Si Epi, first time in the same project, but I'm sad that we never had a scene together, except for one in the hospital. One lang sa hospital, wala pang masyadong dialogue. Ayun. And then si Ara naman, first time to work together, at least nagkaroon kami ng sagupaan ditong confrontation. Big, the kabet! Ay, ako ng kabet! So yun, and si Ivana also is a revelation kasi akala ko si Ivana, vlog lang yan. But then, you know, si Ivana kasi knows how to use her eyes na talagang makes her eyes the windows of her soul. So alam niyang gamitin ang mga mata niya. Eh lalo na si Joshua naman talagang maaantig ka sa acting niya eh. Minsan kahit na walang dialogue, presence niya lang, yung mata niya lang, sabi ko, hanip ang batang to. So I'm very proud. And Jameson is my first time to work with him. I'm so happy naman to be his mama. So, he's also discovering his skills, but I'm really proud na talagang he's diligent enough to really study his scenes, to know his scenes. Minsan naaawa ko sa kanya kasi lagi siyang galit sa eksena. I mean, yung character niya kasi ganun. But yung weakness kasi ng character ko, Katarina has also many facets. I love playing the role. I actually played with the role. Minsan meron siyang kumbaga mayabang siya pag alahera, ganyan, mataas, alta, which is type ko yung mga roles na yan, alta. Ayoko ng poor. And then, mahirap kasi mainit pag doon ng shooting, ayoko. Pero pagdating nga kay Divino, naiinis ako sa mga pambababae niya. But yet, I'm not so kawawa naman to run after him. Parang sabi ko nga parang a man who's easily taken is public property and it's not my business to run after something that's publicly owned.
Right.
I know me. Diba? Parang you know yourself. Nakakatuwa. Basta one thing that I really liked about working in this set, para kaming family. Pag nasa room kami nila, Jane, si Fiang, ang gulo-gulo namin. Tawanan lang kami ng tawanan. For the first time, I felt like I wasn't 64. I felt like I was in my 30s or 20s kasi giggling talaga kami all all the mga kilig things ng mga mako. If the walls only had ears. At saka ang sarap sa set na to kasi madalas magpakain ng mga direktor.
Ah, yun naman pala. That's a
Paro,
secret.
ang daras magpakain. Ang sarap naman magluto ni Direk Jojo.
Ay, grabe.
So, bonggang-bongga na nakasama ko sa project na to. At sana may next.
Yun.
Para makakain uli ako.
Thank you, Miss Dina. Grabe. Floating on cloud.
Work with Ivana. I said nga I wanted to meet her. But maganda kasi yung storya eh. Tsaka maganda yung character ni Katarina. Like I said, she's a multifaceted character. Weak siya pagdating sa anak niyang si Ace na talagang minamamasboy niya na kasi mahal na mahal niya. Doting mother naman siya kay Fiang. Tapang-tapangan siya kunyari kay Divino, but deep inside niini siya. Pero ganun pa rin yung parang statement ni Katarina is, public property ka. It's not my business to run after public property. I know myself. Parang ganun. Minsan kasi nakakapagod minsan kapag teleserye, pag paulit-ulit yung story. Like sabi ko nga, kadalasan sa mga TV series natin na napapanood, palagay yung issue na wala ng anak, na in love sila, yung pala magkapatid sila. But it's always may isyong nawala ng anak, nagkapalit yung anak, nawawala yung nanay. Parang napaka-common, parang wala namang ibang kwento. But with this kasi, Love is Never Gone, I love it, di ba? Sinabi ko nga doon sa In the Making, this is more Hollywood than Filipino. Kasi there's a lot of action in it. And it's so timely kasi here we deal on the issues of human trafficking, merong smuggling, merong parang medyo diskaya yata ang role ko eh.
Daw sabi ni Direk Manny.
Hindi, parang kasi alahera siya. And then, basta parang smuggling ang ginagawa niya. But it's so timely yung mga issues dito. So sabi ko, itong dapat napapanood. May action, may sex, may love, may romance, may family. Parang every person can relate. Hindi kayong, hindi naman nawawala yung anak ko, hindi ako makarelate. Ito makakarelate ka. Lahat ng character, merong isang taong makakapulot ng hugot doon na, ako yan.
Tama.
Ako yan. Ayan, tsaka sa mga lalaking babaero. Kami nakaka-relate dyan. Yun.
Alright, thank you, Miss D.
ABS-CBN, so I'm also happy and most of all proud that, they gave me a pivotal character, magandang character ni Katarina, and I'm happy to be back doing our TV series with Dreamscape.
Sabi niyo nga kanina, it's nice to work with those youngsters na nakita niyo talagang mayroong potential. Like Joshua and...
Actually, ang isa pa, si Jane Oneza, it's the first time I worked with her. Pero mahusay pala siyang actress.
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
ko nga underutilized siya sa show na to, but she's very good. She's a good actress. Aside from Fiang and James.
Nung nakita niyo po si Joshua,
Ma'am, sir, dito na po tayo, sir.
Actually, medyo 1 year ako hindi nagkalaw after my husband. Tuloy-tuloy.
Bye, Miss Dina. Bye, congrats.